In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Task Helper in Todoist. Task Helper is a simple but powerful feature that can make managing your to-dos feel a lot more organized and intentional. Even though accessing it only takes a few quick clicks, understanding what it does and when to use it can really improve the way you work with your tasks. First, open your Todoist app and look at your list of tasks. Take a moment to choose a task that you want to work on. It could be something you've been putting off, something complex, or just a simple item you want to break down or refine. Click on that task to open its detailed view. This is important because Task Helper works on the specific task you've selected, not your entire project or inbox. Once the task is open, look for the three dots icon. Depending on your device, this might be at the top right of the task window or near the task name. These three dots usually represent more options or additional settings. Go ahead and click on the three dots to open the menu. In this menu, you'll see several options related to that task, such as editing, duplicating, or moving it. Among these options, look for Task Helper. When you see it, click on Task Helper to open that feature. Now that Task Helper is open, this is where the real value begins. Task Helper is designed to give you extra support with the task you've chosen. Depending on your setup and version of Todoist, it might help you clarify the task, break it down into smaller subtasks, adjust due dates, or organize related information. The key idea is that it helps you transform a vague or overwhelming task into something more structured and actionable. As you use Task Helper, take your time to review what it suggests or allows you to adjust. This might be a good moment to rewrite the task name so it starts with a clear action verb, or to add a couple of quick subtasks that represent the smaller steps you need to take. You can also use this moment to check whether the due date and priority still make sense. When you're done using Task Helper, simply close the Helper view and return to your task list. You'll see that the task you selected now reflects the changes and improvements you made. That's all there is to accessing and using Task Helper in Todoist. Click on the task, click on the three dots, and then click on Task Helper. With those few clicks, you unlock a simple tool that can help you stay more organized, focused, and in control of your to-dos.